Hello guys, welcome to Nala's Interior. So today we decided to work a bit on the upholstery that once we had to unglue it to fix the leaks on the lifeline stations and now it's time to put it back because it makes a huge difference and the boat looks quite bigger, wider, actually it is after gluing everything back. This side is already done and now we're gonna do that side there. So the boat is quite a mess, as you can see it. That happens actually when you have a small boat, and if you need to do any single job, everything becomes just like this. Messy. Very, very messy. Literally.
Tiring. But this tool does magic. I never knew that the scrapper can be so good. To remove everything, add the fooling, the glue, it works everywhere.
Hi guys! So today we are feeling quite adventurous. So we are in the Volcano island, and yesterday night we passed through the volcano. Not true exactly because it's underwater and it's 100 meters underwater, and there is a safe area that you should pass when you want to reach here. And we did that yesterday night, so we couldn't record anything, unfortunately. And this morning we decided to come out to the beach and to try to go to the other side of the island, where there are many coconut trees. And but it's getting quite hard to reach there because this is so dense, really, that we don't know if we're gonna pass through, but we're gonna try.
So we are continue going up before we go down to that supposedly beach. So we realized that this island has snakes. I'm gonna try to show it to you. So going with sandals is not the best.
So we just found a small snake, but we don't know if there are bigger ones. We decided to go back because we don't want to take the risk and we don't know what else exists here. So we're just gonna go back because I don't have proper shoes and Akis has sandals on him. It wasn't very wise, right? So we're just going back and try the luck next time because we don't have outboard to go there with the dinghy also. And we can't go there with Nala.
So actually we're gonna try our luck to do it through the beach, because or try to find a person to help us with the dinghy, because that beach looks amazing from the sea.
We are back on the beach and we're gonna try to go through that path because there is another small beach, but